Zone out. Let the world fade. It's my time. Block out the noise, I'm in my own lane. Focused on the prize, steady through the pain. They chatter all day, but I'm tuned to the grind. Vision 2020, no clouds in my mind. Haters throw shade, but I'm moving in silence. Every step precise, built on defiance. No distractions, just a mission ahead. I'm stacking my dreams, no time for dread. Zone out, I'm in my vibe, hands steady, eyes on the prize. Zone out, let them talk, let them hate. I'm moving up, no time to wait. Zone out, clear my mind, leaving all the doubt behind. Zone out, I'm claiming my throne. In this game, I'm all alone. Late nights grinding, no rest for the kings. Chasing big dreams, building my wings. Focused on the hustle, forget the distractions. Only real ones ride through the action. I don't fall, I don't break. Built to endure every challenge I take. Zone out, I'm locked in tight. Ready to conquer, ready to fight. Zone out, I'm in my vibe, hands steady, eyes on the prize. Zone out, let them talk, let them hate. I'm moving up, no time to wait. Zone out, clear my mind, leaving all the doubt behind. Zone out, I'm claiming my throne. In this game, I'm all alone. Zone out, this is my moment.